In this lecture, we will try to find period of given signals. By viewing these signals, we get a bit uncomfortable about these. As compared to basic signals, there's a lot of like e raised to power j 3 pi and t. Now there is summation of, but they are very simple when we solve it. Okay, so start with first problem. X of 4n is equal to e3 e raised to power j 3 pi n plus half divided by 5. How we solve it? Simply expand it or simplify this. 3 pi n by 5 e raised to power j 3 pi by 5 into half. You can also write again, you can write here e raised to power j 3 pi n plus half divided by 5. So here 3 into e raised to power j pi, so we have simplify this here in two terms. 3 pi n and 3 pi divided by 5 multiplied by half. Okay, now we can separate the constant part, that is 3 e raised to power j 3 by 5 into half and multiplied by 3 e raised to power j 3 pi by 5 n. Replace this by k, because let's say this is a constant, so I can write here k into e raised to power j 3 pi by 5 n. Again, now compare it by e raised to power j omega n. It is a discrete signal, so for n discrete signal, you need to find omega upon 2 pi, and we have to check whether this ratio is a rational number or not, and once it's a rational, then m upon n, and n will give you period. So compare here, omega naught is 3 by 5, so omega naught upon 2 pi is equal to 3 pi by 5 upon 2 pi is give you 3 upon 10. This is nothing but m upon n, so n is period is equal to 10. Answer. Second question. X 5 t is equal to 2 e raised to power j t plus pi by 4 multiplied by ut, or to make it, let's say, by default they are multiplied. You can write it here or not. For simplicity we are writing from definition of ut. This is u of t. Okay, ut is 0 here, otherwise it is 0 everywhere. It is 1 for t greater than 1. So it is not periodic, because for values of t less than ut is not a periodic signal. So x of 5t is non-periodic. Third, x of 6n, it's a sum of two signals, u of n plus u of minus n. So what is u of n? We can draw u of n okay, it is continuous, like here it is 0, value is 1 always. Similarly, u of minus n is again amplitude is 1, starts with 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and it's so on. So when we add these, okay, with addition we will add these two signals. So you can see here, when we add these at n equal to 0, we will get value 2. So which type of signal we will get when we add? Here it is one, and here it is 2. So obviously by looking at it, we can see that this signal sum of ut and u of minus nt is non-periodic signal. So x of 6n is a non-periodic signal. Now last one,